Recruitment is quite a hot topic in the manufacturing industry at the moment. It's a conversation we have with quite a lot of our clients. There is quite an obvious skills gap, and a lot of people turn to recruitment companies, but that can be super expensive. So it's quite interesting how a lot of people actually think about using digital marketing. I actually had a call from Justin, the MD from Chasted, who needed a couple of sheet metal fabricators. He sent over a quick job description via email, and I sat with the social team and we put out a Facebook ad to promote the roles.
The ad was very simple to set up but very effective. I refined the targeting to reach people within the local area. The ad only spent £17 before Chasted had filled both positions for the 2 sheet metal fabricators who'd seen the ad on Facebook. Manufacturers could easily spend thousands of pounds by going through recruitment agencies for similar results.
Another great success story I've had with one of my customers is a quality manager relocating to the area, searched in Google for precision engineers, saw our client's website and sent his CV over. And for a business that is looking to deliver high quality components and knowing that quality professionals and managers within that sector are quite hard to come by, it was a serious coup for our client to get a good member of staff, not just good customers, which of course they're looking for as well. So whether it be attracting new customers or new staff, it just goes to show how powerful digital marketing can be.